Wait, Josh, I have this idea for an editor. Remember, relax. No, you already started.
Okay, tell me.
Yes, I remember how I talked about the idea.
Zero.
That way.
You are married to your idea.
Okay, yes. A bit.
Can't get it.
Okay, such marriage is just a bit of the idea. That way. Anyways. We've all been there, right? We've all been there where you have this amazing idea.
Yep.
You feel this is the one. Why? If they refuse this one, they are
when you feel like you've thought outside the box.
And then you present it, and
then they tell you are inside.
You are inside. It is not going to work.
Yeah.
It's not considered, not looked at.
There is no budget.
There's no nothing.
Narrow. Come on, guys. Be creative.
Stop saying that.
PTSD. We've all been there. Yeah. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about how to deal with the rejection of your ideas. What do you do when your amazing idea, the one that you thought was the award-winning?
Really happy for you. I'm gonna let you finish. But Beyonce had one of the best videos of all time.
Yeah, award-winning was been rejected. First thing you gotta do when your idea is rejected is what?
Growth mindset. Most times you just have to be in a mindset where you don't react because it has been rejected, but you're in an ever-growing mindset and you're like, okay, cool, it has been refused. Let me go back. First of all, accept that it's not your account. You are not the client. You are not going to do anything about it except approach it from a growth kind of mindset where you're like, okay, it can be a yes, it can be a no.
Yeah. So basically, I don't get annoyed.
Yeah. So don't react. Don't lash out. If you need to vent outside the boardroom.
Yeah. Go somewhere. Go find a corner.
And then you're like, okay, now let's get back to work.
Yes.
So for me, that's one of the things. Idea rejection has taught me.
Yeah.
You gotta approach it from the fact that it can also be refused.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to always do that. I think on top of that, you need to be able to accept feedback. Yeah, like if your idea has been rejected, has been refused, find out why. Probe and ask, like, hey, why? Was it off? Was it? Sometimes it's just the timing. You have an amazing idea, but it's just the wrong time.
Budget, the person.
We are prepared to make you a very generous offer. And we are prepared to reject that offer.
Yes. Also, the way you've presented it.
Yeah, your confidence in it, details, because sometimes you're ambiguous. And the person is like, man, let's break it down for me. You just slapped a figure, but also, I guess also the learning for maybe clients that we deal with. When you don't like a logo, don't just say,
I don't like it. It is not popping.
It's not popping.
Explain why it's not popping. Why I'm not using it.
I change the font, change the color.
Don't just say make it bigger.
So it means that as you're taking the feedback, probe so that you get clearer feedback that is actionable, that you can improve, so that the person is happy.
Yes, and I think once you get that feedback, then you need to reiterate, go back, rethink, and be like, okay, so with the feedback I've gotten, what can I do better?
It's okay to
come out and show me. Okay, yes. There it is. The room is yours. They are lucky to be in your
also pass sleep, watch anime.
Whatever
gets you.
Get your mind back
in
the mood and then get back to it. But remember, you can always reiterate, like always go back and say, okay, with the feedback I've gotten, what can I do better?
Yes.
How do I tweak this?
Because you can't iterate without knowing what you're actually going to do.
Yes.
So the feedback is a plug into your next iteration. Yes. And then document your iterations. That's why mobile apps have versions. things like that, so that you can know this is where we came from,
This is where we are.
reached.
Yes.
Because that is also important when you price it and all
Yes.
those things.
It's not a good reference point going back when you look at the project at the end or wherever it is it might be, and you look back like, okay, I see
the journey. And the client was right. Maybe you can see the improvement.
But also that
Sometimes when it sucks, but give them what they want.
Yes. But there's sometimes when you do something, I realize that when it starts to fail that side, you cannot come back.
And
Like, you know what,
let's
this is the point where I think it's a miss.
yes. So
Let's
how
look
can
at
it
that.
start from here? And sometimes also as creatives, as marketers, we have to agree. Sometimes the client wants what they want, but what they want is but give them what they want.
Enter
Because-
specially at work.
Yes. Let's not go there. For another day. But you see, after you get the feedback, after you've done the iterations, sometimes it's also okay to collaborate.
Yes.
If maybe a graphics designer and maybe you used to steal, and the client is like, I want it moving.
Find out.
You are trying to save motion.
You want it to
all these things. You can collaborate with other creatives.
Exactly. To see how can it be done
Better.
Find someone who is good at motion and give it to them and say, hey,
so this
and you
is
bring
a brief. This is give me something that I can
that
work
you can
with.
use.
If you collaborate really, collaborations at different levels, from different skill sets. It might be the tagline that is weak. Get
So
better
call up
copywriter.
someone. Now somebody like, hey, I had this brief, I had this and this and this. This idea I gave, it was turned down. What do you
What
think?
do you think? Based on this is the feedback, what can we improve? So that it's manageable really.
And then once all this is done, you can always go and look at successful stuff, successful concepts, successful projects, and compare, contrast, pick them.
There's nothing new.
There's nothing new under the sun. Everything we're doing now has been done in a different form.
I mean, imagine a man died on the cross and rose again. As in, what beats that? There's nothing under the sun. So what you can learn from others, don't copy and paste, but you can borrow inspiration, you can borrow creativity.
You can borrow the entire project, but then
make it yours. Tweak it to that's why for campaigns they say localize. It can be a global campaign, but you kind of
bring it down and make it relevant to the guys
that you're dealing with. And
that's basically it.
And really, when you benchmark in Google,
ChatGPT.
GPT. Google, these things have certain brands you're watching that are maybe competitors. They can even be in the different industries.
They can be different industries, different countries.
Intriguing.
Yes.
And so you can borrow a leaf so that, for example, if you're doing an FMCG, you can borrow something from a fashion world. So it will be hard for someone to trace back your inspiration.
Yes, but then the thing will actually work.
God, this is so cool. Yeah. So basically, that's it. That's it. And if you have other ways you handle rejection,
you can
of your
leave them in there. You can leave them in there.
The comments. Yeah. But otherwise, the takeaway point is don't get married to your
ideas. Fall in love with them, but do not get married to them.
It's nothing personal.
It never is personal. It's always just work. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh.